Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to dive in wonderful world of frying fish. Whether you are seafood enthusiast or just looking for a delicious meal idea, you've come to the right place. So without further ado, cue the intro. First step in frying the perfect fish is selecting the right type of fish. So you want something that firms and mild in flavor. Here I have some beautiful cod fillets, but you can have other options also. So let's get started. Once you have your fish, give it a quick rinse so it's nice and clean. Now, just pour hot boiled water on the top of your fish. You can see how the fish is getting buffed from the hot water. Now it will be very easy for us to take off the skin. Now you can see how easily the skin is coming off. You just peel right away. Hurt the excess part of the fish. Now cut the head off. This is for my cat. My cat loves the fish head. Let's prepare the marination of fish. In a bowl, add 5 tablespoons of fish masala. I will give you the whole recipe of how to make your own fish masala in the description box. You can go and check out there. Now add 3 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. 2 tablespoons of oregano and 150 grams of yogurt. Mix it properly with the help of whisk. Now it will become like a paste. Now apply your marination on the fish so it's evenly covered with the whole marination. And let it marinate for around 3 to 4 hours. For best results, 3 to 4 hours is a must. In the same bowl, add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 75 grams of gram flour, 50 grams of yogurt, and 2 teaspoons of fish masala, and 2 tablespoons of desi ghee to give it a desi touch. Mix it properly with the help of whisk. make a smooth paste. Now add adding around 1 teaspoon of desi ghee, around 50 ml of water, and around 50 grams of gram flour. Now take out your marinated fish, apply the second layer paste on both sides. In a pan, pour a little bit of oil and spread it evenly all over the pan, and then add your fish. You can also deep fry it. When you'll deep fry it, it will also give you a good flavor and more crispier flavor, but I have to like to eat this way, so I'm just doing this. Now give it a cover for at least 5 to 6 minutes per side to fry the fish. As you can see, my fish is broken because I have marinated it for too long, but it's broken. It doesn't matter, but it still tastes very delicious. You have to try this recipe. And thanks for joining me today in our kitchen. I hope you enjoyed learning how to fry fish to perfection. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a delicious recipe from our channel. Until next time, happy cooking!